Hi, we're
Amy,
Dakota,
Christina, Songbirds.
Perfect. We're awesome.
That took us a lot of tries.
It did. Except not. We're lying. We're perfect.
First time we did it.
Yeah. That was actually on the fly.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is our video blog.
Welcome.
Mm-hmm. And we'd also like to introduce you to the voice in our head.
The voice of reason.
Just get on with the web show.
That was
whatever
the voice
crap
Says
you
the
call it.
voice of reason.
Exactly. So we need to listen to the voice of reason.
Get on with
because
it.
It's full of reason. It's very reasonable.
Yep. And it has a voice. Speaking.
I don't appreciate
to
me
us.
calling it either.
She has a name, but we do not want to disclose her name because she's wanted in 48 states and maybe 13 countries.
Seriously.
Yeah. So, anyway. So what do you guys want to talk about?
Think. I think
You think
that.
that
I don't know.
this is a good idea. What should we talk about, voice of reason?
Weren't you going to play pterodactyl?
You said that was a bad idea.
You did.
I don't recall.
I remember you saying
Well,
it was a bad idea.
Let's play.
All right. Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl.
I predict Dakota's going to lose.
Pterodactyl.
I lost.
Pterodactyl.
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 Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl. I didn't give up. I gave up.
Victor.
I finally win at pterodactyl.
Kind of hurt your lips.
We totally weren't doing that before this video.
No, of course we weren't. Pizza?
Well,
Well, the
that
pizza's
sounds
here.
like
End of our
the
video.
end of our video.
And in conclusion,